Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of how to hack Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to give you some more tips and tricks in which hackers use to hack into your Facebook account and how you can protect yourself from these hackers. At this point, I would like to commend all of you guys for your support. All of you who subscribe to my channel and all of you who comment on my last video. And I will also say for all of you who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please just take 1 second of your time and do so now. Because that's one way in which you can support me and encourage me to do more. From here, I will also say that I love hearing from you. So if you have any comment or complaint, go to that comment section and drop it. I'm always available to attend to your comment. After that have been said, let's dive into today's business. Here I will give you some of the reasons why your Facebook account is being hacked. Some of the reasons in which your Facebook account is being hacked are jealousy. Maybe your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend is being hurt because people are separated. So due to jealousy, she can do one thing or the other to spoil you or tarnish your image. Another one is anger. Somebody can decide to hack into your Facebook account due to anger. Another reason is that thievery. In thievery, a hacker hack into your account to steal your information, your date of birth, the city in which you were born, or your mother's middle name, so that they can use it to access your credit. But in case you were hacked, there is a way that you can report to Facebook that your account is being hacked. You can report to Facebook that your account is being hacked through this link. When you report, Facebook can recover your account for you. In the part 1 of this video, I'll give you 2 methods in which hackers use to hack into your account. Today, I'm going to give you another method. Another sneaky way for which Facebook hackers get into your Facebook account is through Facebook app. When you go to a third-party website, it will say login. Please enter your username and password, or do you like to use your Facebook credential for your username and password? When you do that, it will create an app in your Facebook, in the Facebook site, and hackers can get to your Facebook account through this app. Another way in which hackers can get into your account is through casing. In casing, if you don't have a strong password, the hacker can case password and use it and get access into your account. And the last but not the least, hackers can also use special programs to get access to your Facebook or uncover your password. But the good news is that there are some ways in which you can protect yourself from these hackers. Go to your Facebook page. Then make sure that you are on this home page. Click on this home button. Then you click on this little down arrow. From there, click on security and privacy. Then you click on setting. Then you come to this left hand side and click on security and login. Here there are several ways in which you can protect yourself. One is by constantly checking your password, maybe once in every 2 months or 1 month. You click on this edit and change your password. Secondly is by this two-factor authentication. You come here and click on this edit icon. From there, you can use authentication app or you use text messages. When you click on here, it will give you an option to put your phone number. Whenever you log in from a different device that is not recognized by Facebook, they will send you a message to make sure that you are the one that is logging in. You go back to the little black arrow, click on setting and privacy, click on settings. Come to this right hand side, left hand side, and click on security and login. Then you scroll down. Setting up extra security. You can get alert. Click on here, put your phone number. You can get alert whenever somebody is logging in into your Facebook from unrecognized location. You can put your recover email. That is some of the ways in which you can protect yourself from these hackers. Where you log in, if somebody log in from different location, you can see it here. From there, you know that somebody is hacking into your account. That's it for this video. In case you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do and do it now. Also like and share this video for others to enjoy it so that they can say bye bye to hackers. Thank you. See you come your way next time.
I love this kids a bit.
Bros, if you no love, I what you get. It's Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. Oluwa má gbàgbé mi, I want all this money.